sure your children rock the bag.
The Rotary Club of Lekki Golden is making a real difference in maternal and child health care. The club has expanded the second phase of its Safe Start initiative to the Ikota community in Lagos, providing mothers and newborns with essential baby care kits, while also educating families on child welfare, hygiene, and the importance of routine immunization. According to the club's president, Christiana Okenla, investing in the health of mothers and children is an investment in Nigeria's future. She says a healthy child today becomes a productive citizen tomorrow, adding that strong families are the foundation of a stronger economy.
It gives me great pleasure for the just concluded project of the maternal and child health. So there's something behind this project. Way back in July 2025, when we started the Unite for Good Year, it was the first project under the maternal and child health care, which is Safe Start Phase 1. And during that period, we actually gave out 50 mosquito nets to adults and then 50 mosquito nets to the children, and we tested 50 babies and mothers of sickle cell. Additionally, we also had BP test, that's the blood sugar and then blood pressure test for the pregnant women, and it was a huge success. We also had our physical exercise, and we felt we cannot just start phase 1 and not close out on phase 2. The phase 2 is where we now had to bring in maternal bags to give out to some of these women. Now, it's interesting to know that some of the women that were pregnant, during the first phase were also part of the beneficiaries of the maternal kit during this final stage as we end the Unite for Good Year. And the bag had lovely, lovely clothes for children, both male and female, from flannel to towel, to feeding bottle, to baby plate, to diaper, to wipes, hair, cap for the children, what's it called, socks, just to also help them. And we also had support from Rotary Club of Winnipeg Golden, also District 5550. We really appreciate you for this international support, and this is the collaboration we're seeking for. Maternal and child health is really important because if you're looking at children, which is the future of tomorrow, taking care of them is very, very important and essential. And that's why there's a huge focus on mothers and children so that we can have healthier community and also a great future. If we take care of the young, then we're assured of a secure future, because health is wealth. Keep these items very dear to your heart. Please ensure that you take care of your children, and ensure you take them for their medical checkup, ensure you give them all the necessary immunization that they need to get, ensure the environment where they're in is clean, and also make sure that you clean, the feeding bottle and also the, the plate and spoon, because cleanliness is next to godliness, and it's important that they have proper hygiene. Very, very important. So thank you so much.
Beneficiaries described the intervention as timely, saying it will help reduce the financial burden of caring for newborns amid the rising cost of living.
My name is Ebitimi. I'm a beneficiary.
Thank you. How do you feel?
Very excited.
Did you expect something like this?
Not at all.
Who invited you?
I was told by my neighbor.
Okay.
I think she was part of the stage 1 beneficiary. Thank you to our sponsors, Rotary Club of Lekki, Golden. Say God will continue to bless you, to enrich your pockets, and every of your expectations will never be cut off. Thank you so much. We are really grateful.
The project was supported through a partnership with Rotary clubs in Canada, highlighting the impact of international collaboration in improving healthcare at the grassroots. For more stories like this, follow and stay connected to CY News, Since Social Scoop on Facebook, and Cinti Latest on YouTube. Greetings, my people.
Thank you so much. God bless you all. Enjoy your bag and make sure your children rock the bag.